Fellow people of the United Nations Trust Territory of the British Southern Cameroons, citizens of Ambazonia, welcome to the No Konitok Zone, and another episode today which we are going to dwell about the international uh, changes, what is going on in the international diplomacy about the Ambazonian struggle. You're all welcome to this new episode. It's 2 a.m. in Hong Kong time, I think about 7 p.m. or 8 p.m. in Ambazonian times, almost same time in Europe. And I think the Premier League is going on, so we expect a lot of people not to participate during our live session. Nevertheless, our focus is to leave a digital footprint where people can always come back and watch. And I understand that the SCBC is having a live show with Milton Tucker. Nevertheless, I intend to go forward and do this presentation. It's too late. I cannot wait, and leave the footprint for people to come back and watch. That is the most important thing. It's not about how many people watch you live that matters. It's about the influence and the content of your presentation to the struggle, to influence it towards the direction where the population wants it to be, because our mandate comes from the people. So everybody, you are welcome to this session. We have a lot of diplomatic updates and in-depth analysis about our current diplomatic situation, and we have had a lot of requests from people about that, and we have discussed with our contacts both in the high level of the Ambazonian liberation movement as well as our contact in the diplomatic cycle. I've had some good chat with some of the parliamentarians that have been in contact with in Europe, who are assisting our struggle. Yeah, let me call you back, please. I'm online live. I'll call you back, please. So sorry for that call interruption. I've opened my line so that today we can have a more interactive show. I will be receiving live call. So today I'm going to give you an in-depth presentation of the diplomatic progress of the Ambazonia War of Independence. I'm also going to give you some insight from talking with some senators in the European Parliament that are helping and assisting our struggle, including some insight conversation I've had with some high-level officials in the United States and our contacts with some of the parliamentarians to find out exactly the presentation of Maurice Kamto and his visits to the Americas. We also heard that Mr. Nijon Fundi will be traveling tomorrow to the United States of America. We are also going to inform you in depth about that and the progress we are having in the diplomatic arena vis-a-vis the removal of La République du Cameroon from AGOA. So, ladies and gentlemen, you are all highly welcome. I salute all my way there for us. Selina, welcome on for us. And we're going to go straight inside our program. This one are the people's platform. This one are the people's house of truth, honesty, and it is for Ambazonia. So we speak in the people's language, the pidgin language. Anyone we know like me go for me go another side. So we will continue to do it. We are going to speak the truth, whole truth to power, to make sure that our revolution stay put. So ladies and gentlemen, you are all man be welcome. We will start today with our national anthem. Thanks to technology, we will reminisce because Bui, the great state of Bui, Day in the center for the eyeball of our revolution. We will play a video of our national anthem from the great state of Bui. So we will join them. Now the time where they be go for our people, for our chief them, go ask the mandate for this revolution before 1st of October 2017. After we sing this song, our national anthem with them, not be ready a song, but it be general together with them. We go enter that time for get our presentation. I will update you now from our conversation with the European senator, with the parliamentarian for the European Union, as well as my conversation with some staff member, them for some Congress people, them for America, and for giving a deep, in-depth report about that. We will also talk today with Saboteur, Acts of Saboteur, where the Ram became the reporter for La République du Cameroon, their CRTV and the FM network. We will also talk about the early attacks against the Ambazonian forces and we'll talk about the dream of General Mba Ivor regarding a way forward for our defense forces. We'll go play some video then from ground zero and wait till we would learn them, we talk for the general, then for Oko as well with that video. We come up for there, we'll go bring all those things right away. So make gonna join me, we will sing our national anthem. After that, I will salute all my way there for us. I will salute on a fine, and then we'll go begin continue our presentation for today. So our national anthem, you go there for some kind of way. But when I will get the atmosphere where they be sing that anthem for day for inside. So now for this to remind the ambassador people the mandate for the 1st of October 2017. We Ambazonian people for ground zero, they rise up. Then go for our funds palace. Hoist Ambazonian back for all the Ambazonian palaces. They ask the palace, the fund will take authority for the land. The political leadership for the parliament and senators, they will withdraw. That's the reason why we for the diaspora will step up to speak on their behalf, to make all man always remember that this struggle na struggle for ground zero. We for diaspora would only talk. The Most High God being the watchman of this nation. So this is for remind Amazonia, yes, this is ground zero. This is where we get our mandate for. We are the voice of those who are under occupation. So this will be for our national anthem. We will remember, say for the palace for Bui, for Banso, the Ambazonia population, not be the Amber boys. The population rose up and they go for the funds palace all across Ambazonia. Then take over the palace, them not be by force. They move the fund to inform them that we, the people of Ambazonia, with the demand, so we don't want this union again with La Republique du Cameroon. We want our national state where they be Caesar, go put them La Republique du Cameroon under federalism. We want complete independence and separation. So now so we're going to play anthem this time to remind ourselves the mandate, oh, ground zero, all these people, all of them, remind ourselves to the people that will rise up this day, 1st of October 2017. The struggle continue. Yeah, so I will take this time now for welcome Oman for us. After I would remind ourselves. Okay, that is it. Okay, give me a minute. I'll get the music for our presentation for today. So Oman be welcome for us today. I want to welcome Oman Modesta Yolanda, our hero, our diva of Ambazonia. I salute you, welcome for us. Oman be welcome. We get big presentation from Hilda. I salute you. Although I get small cough today, but today when I enjoy this song from Boom, the county of Boom for the great state of Boyo. The Kokan, Oman welcome today for us. I salute una all. Oman welcome. We get big story today for update una about the progress we make and diplomatically. Story is plenty. One hour, mama. Whoa. Hey. Nale. Vanilla. Hey. Danela Hewanale. Roja, una welcome for us today. Pilar, una welcome. Erika Zara, powerful woman, una welcome for us. We get in-depth story for example una today right from Europe to America. They say ni John Fundi, he don't run la Republic du Cameroon. General Taban Ayabo Tanku, I salute you for us. You will welcome Nkongo Napoleon. Now who would that be? Would that name Nkongo again for us? Bless, you be welcome. All my be welcome. Neville will be welcome for us today. We get plenty story for update una. I know say Milton Takang Day live too, but the story get for go ahead because na 2 a.m. for here for Hong Kong time. When I see our Ambazonia culture sweet, all mommy welcome for us. Selena, welcome for us. J. Julius, welcome. All man for China, Asaloruna. People for UAE, Asaloruna. Dubai, Asalor all now. Hey, hey, primpa, hit him, primpa, pa. Hey, Uda Buma. What do you know? What tomte wana. Hey, hey. Bob, everybody's welcome to the house. Everybody's welcome. Joe Brown, you're welcome. And that was the welcoming of the No Connie Talk Zone. And we will keep that tradition and we will continue for the Duam that way. At least I don't salute all una for us. I don't put my phone number. I be online for WhatsApp today. If person get thing for talk am, go fit talk am directly. So ladies and gentlemen, fellow Ambazonians, you are all welcome for the No Connie Talk show. Where Master they want to the call with show nobody even start now how. Show nobody even start you the call Maduna. I will drop the phone call now you the call repeatedly. When I give me 1 minute, ma send message for this caller. Apology. I apologize to the whole Ambazonia owner to watch. That was a private call. So, ladies and gentlemen, all man be welcome for the No Connie Talk show. I don't take time for salute all man. I see my brother for the Ambali. Una welcome na strong Amber man. Ayo Gilbert, una welcome. George, una welcome. So today we'll get a strong presentation today. I will give una diplomatic update from the discussion what I get time for the parliamentarian and the way they hell away for Europe, as well as some staff member for some senator them for America. I will update una about Maurice come to a visit for America and many other things. Then we will talk also about defense and many other things. So everybody is highly welcome to this platform and make it a more participatory platform. My phone number will be open on WhatsApp call. The number is here on my phone on the screen. You can call after my presentation. We will go straight so that we'll make sure we'll catch up with our time today. I understand say Milton Taka is also live online, but I couldn't just wait because I'll be working tomorrow early in the morning and it's already 2 a.m. By 6:30 I'll be up, so I wouldn't have enough time to get some rest. So ladies and gentlemen, you are all welcome to this show. Today is the 13th, already here in Hong Kong, is the 13th of January 2020. And everybody is welcome. The title for this episode is The Era of Frontline Leaders is Over. The era of frontline leaders is over. So we will go straight for start for the diplomatic update. I go do begin the talk at the go. I the mind when I comment, but I'm not going to take them seriously. But I would see the one the way they come over. It be very good. I include them for address them. I go address them. But I go prefer say me when I call after the presentation. It don't be done. As usual, this is a platform of the people. And when you talk, so you want to talk for all man. for Ambazonia. You dey talk na in a language where all man go understand them. And the language for Ambazonia na Pidgin English. And I dey restore the Pidgin English back for Ambazonia. Because every time when they talk for English or for language where all the 50% and above of Ambazonia, they need to understand that they keep aside 50% of the people, they isolate a big majority of our people. So I am the people's activist and I speak in the people's language, the Pidgin English. And I don't force all man begin talk for all na the year. Because the whole issue where white people they be bring this foreign language, now for make sure say we no get a participatory democracy, the voice of the majority of those people doing that they do the hard work, they need to be heard for inside our politics. So we go make sure say me in Ambazonia, the language they go talk about parliament, it go be na the language the vast majority of people they hear. Because when you go for white man their country, they talk na language all man the year. They need to go talk na some language na that one fine pass one. No, the Pidgin language will go standardize them. They use them already for BBC. Now the language of the future, the language should be for our environment, and I go to use them for here. So man way not like Pidgin, me he go. Any assimilated man way if he say be an Anglo-Saxon, me he go for England. But for here for the No Connie Talks show, we need to make Connie, we talk for una clean and clear. We talk for language we una fit debate. Una fit hear them very well, una go understand what's really happen. Decision they be made for the whole nation. It be enough say it must be talking for the language show the people that they hear. When we don't win that country, we would begin bring the English people meet and begin can work for we. Pidgin man no go work for man where they talk English anymore for Ambazonia. Now the people where they work English, they go come begin work, they do interpretation. Like Nassau have been an ambassador. I need people then like Bo Herbert, me they can work for me like translator. The time will be the put value for foreign education past the one for local education. We be call an illiterate education. Illiterate. No illiteracy. No they. The people that they learn, then get or they be disciplined. Now train mind them. They study and they learn from life experience as well as the informal education. Where they call it informal for British people. Then be na correct education also. So we all be welcome. We will start this episode today with a diplomatic update. I don't take time, I don't talk for what diplomats them way they assist with for inside Europe. Personally, I don't talk for some of their European parliamentarians. I don't also take time I talk for some of the staff members and for some of the senator the way they for America where they help we for get more insight about our diplomatic progress. I don't also try to consult with some of my advisors and some of the main organization the way I aid them as an activist, as a citizen volunteer, as we push on this struggle for the people's aspiration of Ambazonia for independence. So I will start for give una the analogy where go before we all man go understand them because things that change. So from the beginning of last year, how this struggle is start, there was a consensus. Say as the United Nations Security Council, it then declare a humanitarian crisis, action need to be taken by the international community for assist the people them for the Cameroons. I talk Cameroons because na two country, me then come for solve the problem. They no fit allow people that they continue for die for the rate where they be die. So the consensus without already reaching this crisis need some encouragement for international body them for make sure say me the two sides then come together for negotiate. And it will mostly be led by the Europeans. Now the Europeans they will be led this effort. So primarily the French government and some other diplomatic corps them for Yaoundé, they be gather. Time where they be catch Sissoko Ayoktabi, then send her for Cameroon. It will breach strong international law them because they get a law for non-refoulement. That means say you know if you catch man where the chop Ajoro asylum where you don't run the country for any political reason or for because of war, you send it back for that country. That breach for law will be over strong. So due to the work of the Ambazonian leaders and also very strong advocacy way Honorable Abdul for Nigeria and Falani, they be push the diplomatic corps for Nigeria and the one for Cameroon. The diplomatic corps for Yaoundé, they be form some small group will be made up of the British ambassador, the French ambassador, and I don't know whether na Portuguese or na German, I think German ambassador, but three of them, they be decide for take the initiative for make sure say me the international law then be respected. So they be approach the Cameroon government, and since then they don't always work for background for push the solution. They give back intelligence for their country, as well as the frontline movement, the diaspora. Then too they go vote, they go for protest, they hand in petition here, petition there, for make sure me the plight for the people them where the whole goes down for ground zero. The people that for ground zero where they demand say they want independence, they want freedom, me happen. So that thing them will happen all for this past year, for the year 2019, increasingly because of that declaration of humanitarian crisis. As that coalition it will go on, the American they will get a different approach, because the European they will believe say that Cameroon is still supposed to remain one due to the work where French government will do am. Emmanuel Macron will be engaged directly for mobilize their French allies for take a position for stand beside Mr. Paul Biya, say any solution we go dey, it go dey na inside that format where Cameroon go remain like one. But they will get conflict because the Cameroon Boulou Beti clique where they rule that country, they don't be drunk with power. They need the year 12, even for the French and the international community. And them too, they fear, say as Mr. Paul Biya being Vondo, it don't old, the time where the one replacing it don't reach. They fear to say their technical advisor for the French embassy, they try a way for move Mr. Paul Biya for make a replacement. So you get this conflict, infighting there for two sides. You get infighting between Paul Biya being Vondo and the loyalists them against the French embassy and the diplomatic corps for you on the way they want me say me the Paul Biya come on me grab for day. And this side for the French government, they want to make a me Paul Biya come out be replaced by Maurice Kamto and Akere Muna. So I need to understand this dynamic. The American government, they know they support all these things them. They need to support the Paul Biya side, they need to support the French side. But they be worried because of the humanitarian crisis, and they try to push them for take solution. For Mr. Paul Biya side, the solution for this struggle now just decentralization where still maintaining a power structure intact. The French government, it struggle very hard for say me then get na effective decentralization, not be even federalism. So you get two sides the way all the decentralization. Now either way, see say Maurice come to become outside, he talks say anything where they for separation, it no go belong to anything where they for separation. So now the two things in that way they for that struggle. Maurice Kamto and Paul Biya na coins of the same thing, but Maurice Kamto go present a more tough challenge because he go present a moderate face for the international community where they back up by the people the way now they chop for our resources, the new colonialist system where they in place. So because of this, and wait way around talk around research and for presenter for una, the American government would look America like the best hope for Ambazonia. America still remain the city built on a hilltop. America still remain the hope, because right from the time where they be start to cook the cocky for Ambazonia for the Versailles Treaty, the American government be denied for sign the treaty where it be partition Cameroon according to the line where they be people they be winner, because the British people them and the French people they be see say in the future they go feel need for exchange territory them strategically. So they be start begin make that narrative for the American government be denied for sign for be one of the member. They be signed say they go be like observer for that treaty, because they plan already for share that land between themselves, the British and the French. Be that already start begin see that possibility for they. So now why that way but I will leave that topic, that one a topic for another day. So America don't always be the voice and the side where if you be more prone for help we on the side on fairness and justice, because from the beginning they be denied for go along with the narrative for cancer territory then for Africa. So basically Thibaut Nagy, when are the Assistant Secretary of State of Africa Affairs for the United States government, he boss na Mike Pompeo. Now Mike Pompeo, when he go talk for this struggle, the talk where he go talk. Now the talk when Donald Trump he go take him, he go talk. And he then begin reach to that place where the boss says for Thibaut Nagy, Mike Pompeo, he go stand up, he go talk. Because the time that reach, how did that move Cameroon for that AGOA? When I remember, say sanction na a tool where the United States government it use them for force country them for change course. Otherwise, they go use other measures. And American government it don't make them, it be very clear. So the first travel where Thibault Nagy be do am because of Ambazonia thing, from the talk we hear them from our diplomat them and the diplomatic people the way they give you information, it show say on the 3rd of July, Thibault Nagy he be visit England specifically for discuss about the issue for Ambazonia. And for England, he be tell the England people say the position for America now say they accept say the peaceful revolution according to where Amadou Ahidjo be call them for the 1972 where they be change the constitution of federalism. The position for the American then I say it be na fake referendum, it no be match up with fairness. So according to them, if the English people them then support the idea for a return to federalism according to that 1972 law where it be for Cameroon, it go be na an acceptable situation where the American government it go fit support them, meet them press them for we. But nevertheless, the American their position as say they recognize Cameroon in territorial integrity as the United Nations identify them, even though it will be done illegally without following the legal procedure of the United States of the United Nations organization. So Mr. Thibault Nagy be get that diplomatic move with the English government and he be present the American their side, but they no be get any consensus because the British government they be talk say their hands them be tight because of the 1.5 billion US dollar deal where the United Kingdom government is multinational, the New Age Oil, it be sign them with the Cameroon government. Cameroon government be don't give them that oil like a trap for trap the English government and it be work. So Theresa May, the former United Kingdom, their parliamentary, their prime minister, that woman be talk for the Thibault Nagy according to information where they get them, say the British government they no be accept the American their position for fight for federalism, but they be decide for stay with the French government their position. Say make Cameroon remain as one and indivisible, but give more grand autonomy for the Cameroon people and also for replace Mr. Paul Biya with Maurice Kamto. The British government be support that idea under Theresa May. So Thibault Nagy be travel also go for Portugal on the 11th of July for the same mission for convince the Portuguese government for support the American position for this case. The Portuguese government also with the European alliances be talk say they give a stand together with the French government their position. So it been a tough thing. Thibault Nagy emission it be fail and the American position at that time it remains for support the democratic test for Cameroon. That means they go stand for democracy for Cameroon through election and all those things them. But as late as that year it be go, Mr. Paul Biya and they resist the attempt for the French government and their coalition of the diplomatic corps for push Mr. Paul Biya me get into dialogue where it go the Swiss dialogue where it go bring for that solution. The multinational them too where they work hand in hand with Paul Biya, then too they be come up with the HD for undermine the Swiss initiative and they be fight for tell the Swiss government say me then left this negotiation for their hand. They fit handle the African people because they don't study them very well. They be make a good case. The CEO for Barry Corbett, it take the CEO for this company. Then go meet up the ambassador for Yaoundé, then discuss. Then meet up Mr. Paul Biya. If it there for news, Mr. Paul Biya accepts it, okay. Then go try this HD. If it be a middle ground, so the HD be a middle ground between Mr. Paul Biya and the French government and the Switzerland government and the diplomatic corps. They talk to me then try to see what I go work. Mr. Paul Biya be very stubborn in the year 12. Even for the Europeans them in the year where they talk. Many of the atrocity the way they arrest people them, they do them against the European their advice. So we need to know the infighting way they go on, because when your enemy they fight, you go know how you go divide them also for take advantage. Now why do I take time for put these things? Because they are in many levels we get a lot of collective input for this struggle. and the international community dey gauge our public reaction over. So wait wey una know am and how una dey take am stand up on top. E be very important. So na the position that way be for America until the crisis. Mr. Paul Biya he decide for talk say the way where the international community and the French government they support them. Paul Biya dey talk say okay they go do na their national dialogue. Na he go remain. Now that issue for national dialogue it provoke the American government. Then give up to January this year for Mr. Paul Biya and the French government for put their act together for stop this nonsense, this dead them way they go on for Ambazonia. Then give that AGOA, they go move Cameroon for AGOA. Once that decision be taken for put Cameroon on a list, on a deadline for get into sanction, they then put Cameroon and the international community on notice. Say the American government it go push this thing further. And the American government it no be mixy word. They be talk exactly what way they go do. They be tell Cameroon government say they go take this thing to the international fora. That means say they go carry and go for the United Nations Security Council. Me then go talk about this problem. And now for place where if they carry them, go there, they go discuss this palaver based on the merits and the legality. The case file it go come out. They go look say, but who's the country there? Because they procedure them for the United Nations Security Council for present anything for day. It like for court. You never put photocopy for court. Before you start anything for court, you must identify yourself properly. They go read your name. Talk say, are you Mr. this Peter Mafani Musonge? You go announce and say, yes, you are. And then they go ahead. So before they want bring this case, they go talk me, then bring Cameroon a birth certificate. They go bring and they go see say irregularity, then they and no be two way go find for their side. Now either way the American government they warn them before he do them. He give them time, say by January this year. If we not do so, it go this so go happen. So now wait till that way be go on. After this period, for May 17th of May 2019, the report become for regarding the possibility for Theresa May for come out for power. So it be changed a lot of dynamic because the whole deal for that new age oil where they be signing for Paul Biya for make sure say me the British people they meet and calm down. Now Theresa May be give the go ahead. So we get a very good chance and we get a good opportunity because the AGOVC they be succeed for get a meeting with the parliamentarian for United Kingdom. They be go together with the interim government. They be invite the interim government head of the foreign affairs for the department where they work there for inside the interim government. Dr. Carson Anyangwe be go there with Dr. Ayabacho Lucas. They be go there go meet up all the British parliamentarian then present our case for the very good case where they present them. Dr. Larry, when are the head of the State Department of the State Department, the Secretary of State for the interim government for the governing council of Ambazonia to be there for that meeting. A very powerful meeting. They sit round table, they get a good presentation, they make a good case against the new H oil deal where they don't sign up, where the British government be allowing me to sign up with Mr. Paul Biya. And because of that meeting, the British parliamentarian they be talk for the British government, say it not be morally acceptable. So when they key people them for a territory where the British government then get a moral obligation for help. Me the British government they take policy where they be driven by oil. So they be bring and the debate for their parliament, they bring all those points them. All those points the way the AGOVC began for day and where Casinali and where they be join them, they began for day, then bring it all for their parliamentarian and it began shake things them. So as this year end the end, where the warning where America be done gam, it can't reach. You see how things they change and how God worked in them all for our good. Theresa May it come off for power. Now new Gordon Brown be the prime minister for British government. So we'll get a new chance, a new fresh blood. The same time the American they don't take over the chair for the Security Council. Now they control which way they debate them. Now they set the agenda for that body way be very important. So we'll get a golden opportunity. As government they prepare for take action, they did seek advice for the various organizations, the way they give input for them for develop their political their policy. So the the parliamentarian they began seek advice for legal firm them about this matter. The Oxford University, the best in England, they write a report, an extensive report about the situation in Ambazonia. In that report, then talks that the British government get a duty to intervene and carry this palaver for the Security Council. And the subject matter about the unification of Ambazonia and Southern Cameroon according to the requirement of the United Nations, where it specifically mandate the British government for be present during the negotiation for unification for Fumban, where they be failed, they also put and say need for Dede. So it be been a wonderful and a powerful report from the Oxford University about this struggle. You also get Maxwell Bond, International Institute of Peace. Maxwell Bond also it be do a field report. That means say it go for Ambazonia and for La Republic go investigate on the ground. It present a very powerful report regarding this issue. You also get Dr. Gregory Stanton, the person where Naibi first declare about this genocide will be there for Rwanda, and Naibi set up the United Nations institution, then will be there for Rwanda. Naibi also be right there about the end of the Mozambique war. Naibi designed plenty things for United, now a very powerful voice. He too that make a declaration. Dr. Gregory declaration say it is a genocide. A recommendation for the State Department that it is a genocide. That document that reach for Thibault Nagy office. In it for submit and now for Mike Pompeo. Me the Donald Trump government then take a decision for submit this palaver for the United Nations Security Council. That is where we are. Now why that way you see say when you don't shake things like that one thing that it be about to happen. When you don't fight with football, you take an enter for inside penalty court. Now but they way you get the highest opposition. Now you way now way Kukumba they don't send the real face where you go represent La Republique du Cameroon. Emmanuel Macron. Now you way they don't move their joker. They don't say now Maurice Kamto now me enter for inside field. So we don't see all the picture. We don't see all the picture where the commodity come. Now Gregory this where he be saying that that report. The American diplomat Gregory declared that it is a genocide. Now the call way program nobody even reach with time for call. Hello caller, you there for the No Connie Talk show? I go drop your call. Time for call in nobody reach. After presentation before we receive call. Hello? And a Nigeria number. So this is Dr. Gregory, who have made the former United States State Department official. He's a very powerful and very respectable voice. He has declared to the United States of America that it is a genocide. And when they talk saying a genocide, once the American government, Donald Trump in office, he received the report saying that a genocide, he go take an action, a strong action for the United Nations Security Council to resolve this matter. They go call Cameroon government, me come for the United Nations Security Council for can answer. They go open the book and they go look and they go decide say, even though our forefathers they didn't vote for plebiscite, Cameroon government nobody recognize Ambazonia as a state for get into a treaty with them. Hello, caller. Are they online live for the No Connie Talk show?
Yeah, you make mistake. You make mistake. Na Gordon Brown. No, be Gordon Brown. Na Boris Johnson.
Boris Johnson. Okay, thank you for that correction. So thank God when I see how our viewers that we have the most smartest people in Ambazonia. We don't have Zamzams here. We have the most smartest crowd. Thank you, caller, for calling to correct it. Yes, that was the Prime Minister, current Prime Minister of England. So we will continue, no problem. No Connie will understand it is human to make error. So Dr. Gregory Stanton, he then declare it is a genocide. The killing of the Ambazonia people is a genocide. Genocide no means that they will kill all man had and kill them for Rwanda. The brain for the international community have said it. There is no excuse for the American government to stay quiet. It is time for the United States to answer, to make good of the threat that was declared through the sanction to remove Cameroon from AGOA. Sanction is a tool to force government, state parties to change their course. Otherwise, more actions will be taken by the United States of America. And as the time for take that action, it don't come. Now, where the French government in the fear said they can't throw a stand for their gari for Ambazonia petrol. Now, where they send their joke at Maurice Kamto. Now, it is Maurice Kamto. Me go see all the people that will be involved for take this decision. Now, it is Maurice Kamto. He don't go. He go see Thibault Nagy for present a case. And just in case you wonder, Maurice Kamto be go for them for go do it. You know the American people, they are very honest people. Them now church people, God fearing people. So Thibault Nagy, he no waste time, but he talk the truth why Maurice Kamto he can't see. Now the reason this he put on for a Twitter so that me all Ambazonia they know. Me tomorrow they know see let's say they do Pasha. Now the reason this he say I met with Maurice Kamto today for confirm America they are Kong. America ranking Kong for the democracy, peaceful election, and U.S. support for the Swiss initiative. So if you wonder wait way Maurice Kamto be go talk and for day, if you can talk about the Swiss initiative. Now either way you see Thibault Nagy he put on so that is a diplomatic language. Because when for diplomacy, when you go visit many country, the narrative way they come out, they try for lean for your side also. Now said na diplomatic language that. So from the tweet from Peter Thibault Nagy, we go understand say the main thing where Maurice Kamto be go talk and then say that Swiss talk, me the American government, abandon and me give you one more chance for that Swiss talk. So the fact say he talk about the Swiss initiative, it is try for stop me America, they not take action against Mr. Paul Biya, because if they take that action where America go take them, it go can't end up give Ambazonia their independence, because we go win them for that case. Our case will be right, will be on the right side for the law. So now where Thibault Nagy, it is put very transparently, say he support the Swiss initiative. Now talk about diplomacy. Benavodo talk say Maurice Kamto be go for go campaign about the Swiss process. When I remember 1 year ago, I be tell when I say the Swiss process, the people there and therefore behind the Swiss process, now Maurice Kamto and Akere Muna with the French government. Now the same Maurice Kamto, they don't put na plan A and plan B then they. You also get another peace talks where they for African Union, where they put that one like second plan B. If the one no work, they go bring the one. So they don't try this one. They can't talk for American government now say, okay, since the Swiss age the way now we can't talk say me the Swiss government is she don't quiet. Me na then take and handle we fine. It don't fail. Me the Swiss government now say they don't appoint their delegate, their government representative. Me na he handle the process now. So when I see say negotiation, they always get plenty tonton. Even if the one happen, then go tonton come make we play people. They go see bring another cat over cat they come. How did they talk for Uganda? Say party over party, party after party, delay after delay, delay after delay. So Ambazonia, while all this diplomatic brouhaha they go on, our own answer na AK chavum pimpam na only for the nakam how they go, the nakam how they go. We stop all the exploitation of our fruit. We stop the monte. We stop rubber. We sabotage Sonera. We sabotage their stocks of oil. We need to make sure, say no one liter for oil it no go come out Ambazonia. Because now the thing they now will be done do it put them for this position. When I remember time when Thibault Nagy start travel for go for England, for Portugal. Now it coincide with the time where we been hit Sonera. When I remember very well. Now that time we do that thing for Sonera. So it be important say we will continue for buy AK-47. We continue for stop all the exploitation of our crops. That thing where they go make that corner so te Manfe is start begin go some kind of way. They start begin take cocoa they go. It need for stop. I talk so weti cocoa need for stop. So that means all the nyama thing where they put and so play the card diplomatic thing. It go they take time because they feel when they see say diplomacy they go with the overlike them, it distract we with one she don't quiet. they go twist them. Even inside diplomacy, even if they substitute Ambazonia that true side is turn up, La Republique that true side is turn up, they fit go for go negotiate. Some man talk say my belly the bite. I forget my book. This story go the long. We must. They say freedom not be given, it be taken. We must liberate our land, and we can do it. I go come for that one. I go come for that story. But I want to talk say, because of the report of Maxwell Bond, because of the Oxford report for England, and the change of leadership from Theresa May where we don't go touch the new H oil, because of the fallout between Donald Trump and Emmanuel Macron, and the declaration of Dr. Gregory Stanton, now for the way una see say thing they don't change, and the alarm where it blow before una one see foul the run so for Asaway when the blow in yas say you want go for America to go see these people. Now time where Herman Cohen he announced say I am receiving horrifying reports about atrocity in Amazonia. Now for the way French government and American government then sabi say the end is near. When Herman Cohen would not try to get more information, he give that intelligence. It be the show na say not be intelligence from we Amazonia will be saying it doki them. It shows that the American it be an indication where the one show for the for my way sabi say the United States their secret services they don't give report for Donald Trump and for Thibault Nagy about the real atrocity the way they go on, because the intelligence service for America then get them best. They use satellite, they use informant, then get priest them, then get all kind of way. Nothing they happen where they don't know where it happen. So time where Thibault Nagy Herman Cohen he give that declare he talk so, and Dr. Gregory Stanton he declare, and so America French government now they will then send the real man me come now for can do their diplomacy, and now when Maurice come to a go rich for it then receive a fine. It means that the right year to way talk. Maurice come to the year to way talk. He come up for day. He go for the office for the for Karen Bass. Karen Bass office too. He go see Karen Bass. He salute fine. He tell and say if Kunkuma he change, he go try for make sure say he no go be king key Amazonia. He go the key winner small. But he no go give it freedom correct. But he go think about how if he do give freedom. So now the thing and that way he go for go talk and for day. Now it is. You go see say when you go meet up Herman Cohen. See Herman Cohen he no laugh we. When I see his face. When I know say for America that diplomacy. Even hands shake. It mean plenty thing. When I see say time we go for here Thibault Nagy he receive it fine because American State Department they the one slow small, they need one over rush, they need one rush because they no feel say this thing it be too urgent. But from Herman Cohen he face it shows say he no accept thing way Maurice come to represent him. Even though Karen Bass he also he receive it fine, but you see say he no already buy thing way. You know the Herman Cohen not really be happy because Maurice come to he already been for federation as well. We will not say personally Maurice come to the do na any way the French government talk. Today he talk one, tomorrow he change them depending on how the French government engage them. After we talk for some few staff member them, we fit confirm for the Amazonia people say Maurice come to say self. He never can talk say them fit get federation. He no talk say about federation. He too still can talk about effective decentralization, special status with more powers. Now the kind of thing where he talk. And he also want accept say Cameroon government he go under a leadership they go accept for go for that Switzerland their talks. And he also propose the talks for South Africa for AU. So those are the two things they all get them say Maurice come to he go talk and for America. One I say they want me the Swiss talk he go ahead when he go take power. Me them move Kunkuma put na he. Na he Maurice come to he go know how for sample we because we Amazonia people when he go take power we no go overget that zeal. But you see say even Herman Cohen he know Amazonia people them very well. He know say that talk way Maurice come to he don't can talk so he no go waka. He sabi. So we need for shine eye we understand where the way they go on. So now the thing that way they. So my country people make we pray. Say me the dossier where Peter Thibault Nagy, he go get for Mike Pompeo before them get for Donald Trump. Me, it reflect the true aspiration of the Ambazonia people and their representatives, so that they go fit get inside in negotiation. They go settle this problem, me the killing and suffering for our people. It come to an end because we have made a choice. We have made our people. Ground Zero have spoken, and the decision is that we want complete separation, and we, the activists, will get a duty to stand on behalf of our people and speak about their aspiration. Me, they attain that goal of independence. When the only choice we believe, say if we solve this problem forever, we no want a choice where go come back tomorrow, you go to hunt we. So Maurice Kamto na the last joker where the French government if it do am. Emmanuel Macron enough he come again for they talk because he and Donald Trump they need to talk. So Maurice Kamto a link for the Swiss talk it don't be exposed. Before we tell I say Maurice Kamto na he be there for back that thing. That Swiss process now Maurice Kamto a project. When I be talk say Capo Daniel. Now the call we show never finish. We don't go for the next segment. Hello caller, you are on the No Corny Talk Show.
I'll keep calling.
Now
Later.
you call later no after presentation. Hello? Call after presentation.
Okay.
So we not finish with that presentation concerning the diplomatic update. We go enter now into inside for Amber to Amber. Amber to Amber. We go start today for Amber to Amber with Dr. Success, Dr. Failure Nkongo. Dr. Failure Nkongo, the goat head, where he talk say he go carry General Arike, go bring him for Yaoundé within shortest period of time. If you not do am, we go call in a goat. So Dr. Goat Failure, he then became make ground La République du Cameroun then became UZ for La République their TV station and their radio station them. They use it not be only for destroy Ambazonia struggle, but they use it also for promote their agenda, for attack people them for Ground Zero, including the Aya Foundation. I go play una audio them where they play them for CRTV from Success Congo. Interview where they play them for you, they play them for us for CRTV, for both FM and for TV. They show Success now for Temptation for La République for television. They show it for day. They use it for destroy Ambazonia. Make una hear interview where again where them play am for inside La République du Cameroun their line CRTV. Una hear, una take ear, una hear.
La crise anglophone connaît ces derniers jours des rebondissements avec la volte-face du désormais ex-combattant ambazonien Success Nkongo.
J'ai quitté parce que je ne peux pas faire partie d'une guerre qu'on viole toutes les lois internationales. C'est-à-dire couper les doigts des gens, couper les pieds des gens, couper les têtes des gens. Je ne peux pas faire partie de ce genre de guerre. Ça a créé la division entre nous les anglophones. On luttait pour la démocratie. Mais je constate que les Ambazoniens veulent imposer les opinions à tout le monde en utilisant l'arme ou l'intimidation.
Mais Success Nkongo ne s'est pas limité à répondre à l'appel de la République. Le théologien a également fait des révélations depuis les États-Unis qui accablent des personnalités et certains.
So the first thing where Success Nkongo Godhead he talk. Now say like Ambazonia people them they want impose their will on the rest of the Cameroonians. According to him, would want force people them for Cameroonian using arms and atrocity for force our will on them. When I hear
les lois internationales, c'est-à-dire couper les doigts des gens, couper les pieds des gens, couper les têtes des gens.
So if he talk say he no one join a war where would cut people their hand, cut people them, use people for collapse. The same Success where he be the talker La Republic be the cut people them. He don't see how them cut Samsoya head, see how them kill baby matter, burn people for house for life. He won't go join the country where they kill people, they burn people. But he no go join the own people them way them too he accuse them to commit the same atrocity. When I hear
entre nous les anglophones, on luttait pour la démocratie. Mais je constate que les Ambazoniens veulent imposer les opinions à tout le monde en utilisant l'arme ou l'intimidation.
Mais Success Nkongo ne s'est pas limité à répondre à l'appel de la République. Le théologien a également fait des révélations depuis les États-Unis qui accablent des personnalités et certaines ONG.
Aya pour la Guinée et sa fondation sont les partenaires d'Ambazonie, sont des Ambazoniens.
When I hear wait to where the one use goat head in Congo, he the one indict Aya Paul. When I hear what he talk over media.
Le théologien a également fait des révélations depuis les États-Unis qui accablent des personnalités et certaines ONG.
Aya Paul Abine et sa fondation sont les partenaires d'Ambazonie, sont des ambazonnés, sont les facilitateurs des ambazonnés. La plupart des gens qu'on met dans le compte de Aya Foundation sont de l'argent que Aya Foundation utilise pour aider les soldats ambazonnés.
Directement.
So, il talk say Aya Paul Abine for man way near the year that frog their talk. Say pa Aya Paul and the foundation, not be only you one. Say pa Aya Paul. When I can hear something, the boy you want to know waiting that. So pa Aya Paul, man way don't suffer for all years. He don't suffer as a Supreme Court judge. They don't treat him, marginalize him, suffer him very well. Catch him, put him for instant kondengi. Pa eye the one go blind. Power na be the help you to give you chop. Power either help you, give you resolve them. You come out today, you go stand, you talk for inside TV. Say Pa Aya Paul it dey collect money, if foundation dey collect money, jam for Amber Boy them. Now you dey go testify now against Pa Aya Paul. Una hear?
Qu'on met dans le compte de Aya Foundation sont de l'argent que Aya Foundation utilise pour aider les soldats ambazonnés.
Directement mise en.
He say Aya Paul dey use the money where they donate them for help Ambazonian soldier. For where? If na say be there for the lack AK-47.
La fondation Paul Aya Abine a réagi en déposant plainte contre l'ancien combattant ambazonien.
So then talk say Aya Paul he don't put case for court against ye. Now he responded for that way to way success he don't do one for them. You go make false accusation against Pa Aya Paul for public. Why you go to work for la Republican way so without any shame? Why?
Diffamation et propagation de fausses nouvelles. Gérard Zambo, analyste politique, considère que Success Nkongo cherche avant tout à se sauver et à prendre position pour les prochaines élections législatives qui se dérouleront en février.
Docteur Success Nkongo est dans un jeu de positionnement. Il sait pertinemment que s'il ne se livre pas à cela, il peut mal finir. Lorsqu'il décide de sortir de la rébellion, il faut bien qu'il se ménage un espace d'expression politique. Et il sait que le pays est tourné vers des enjeux politiques importants et pour écarter à distance tout potentiel adversaire, il doit les livrer.
Il n'a pas été possible d'obtenir une réponse de la fondation Paul Aya Abine qui refuse toute déclaration dans l'attente du début de la procédure enclenchée par sa plainte. Quant aux accusations lancées par Success Nkongo, elles pourraient avoir des conséquences, mais pour l'instant, la justice camerounaise n'a pas réagi.
On a dit here, the accusation where Success Nkongo is the jam for Pa Aya Paul. Now serious accusation where the Cameroon government if you use them for putting for prison day. But the intention for that accusation it not be being able to put Aya Paul for prison because the for don't catch and put him for prison. Even though we don't hear say possibility be they say la Republic they be the plan for catch Pa Aya Paul as a distraction for we during this time for April for February operations. But when I go here say wait to where Success Congo it be the talk now it be the correlate with wait to where school drop out from 3 school drop out. Atanganji Paul, they be the plan for do. When I hear the follow-up interview with Atanganji Paul regarding how he want correlate with the way he and Success Congo, they the plan for do. When I hear his own interview.
Yes. Atanganji,
ministre de l'administration territoriale, est face à la presse. Quelques minutes de prise de parole et le ministre accable certaines agences humanitaires internationales opérant dans les 2 régions anglophones en crise depuis 4 ans. Paul Atanganji.
Dans la région du sud-ouest, nos forces de défense et de sécurité ont interpellé une ambulance
When I hear lie where Atanganji Paul the talk, when I hear the set up, Atanganji Paul say the Cameroon army they don't catch an ambulance. When I hear fine.
Dans la région du sud-ouest, nos forces de défense et de sécurité ont interpellé une ambulance d'une agence humanitaire qui était censée transporter des déplacés. Et ces déplacés étaient en réalité des dangereux terroristes activement recherchés.
Say, la Republic the army they don't capture a truck, an ambulance where carry people the way Amber Boy them for the way they be the session. It go further than that when I hear. It be important more when I hear because I go tell on a way to way they try for do.
Par les services de sécurité. Dans cette ambulance, il y avait 3 Kalachnikov, et 2 caisses de munitions. Il n'y a pas longtemps, les forces de défense et de sécurité ont effectué un contrôle inopiné dans un convoi humanitaire d'un partenaire humanitaire. Paradoxalement, dans ce camion, il y avait 3 caisses de munitions, des paires de jumelles, des téléphones Android.
Le gouvernement accuse également les agences humanitaires de distiller 3 gros mensonges contre le Cameroun. Le ministre Paul Atangandi.
So from there, it go start analyze about the report where the humanitarian organization that they gave for the United Nations and the other international organization and state party them. So they want try for demonize this humanitarian action them, and for stage, even I will see the other picture. I don't know why I never send that picture. They don't go catch poor civilian them, tie their hand for back, begin move bullet them for inside motor. They know how the driver put them for front, hang them for the neck. How did they hang them? How would they always observe their modus operandi? For stock saying that the particular person, this one an Amber boy, but then tie all money hand for back for inside truck, they put them for this and people die, they don't go catch them. They try to set up a narrative for discredit Aya Paul and other humanitarian actors for Ground Zero where they work. It not only end for day, not be only the thing too. When I see the train where they come, my country people them like Republic du Cameroon, they are activists. They don't share a very gruesome image. How their own people they kill what people them, they cut what people their head, beat people them, just like how we predict them. I think Mr. Lucas Ansu be done give the intelligence. Those intelligence who will share them, then be real. Wanna excuse me for a moment. Me the laptop, you know go off. Excuse me for a moment, please. I think my power is going out. Okay. Apologies, Ambazonia. Okay. Okay, problem solved. So when I don't see the motor where they be catch them, where he carry those where they claim say the motor carry ammunition and Amber boy the inside La Republic du Cameroon where he be tied with the humanitarian action. Those are lies. When I don't see the gruesome picture where it be circulated on WhatsApp and on Facebook as well from La Republic du Cameroon, their agent. As Lucas Ansu be done announced the intelligence will be get and said they go escalate their work them for Ground Zero for behead our people them. And who be this Amber boy the way they work at do the area be done struggle, investigate to then catch the one the way they be there for up Pinyin, they catch the one they be there for up station, that one they be even stop motor then in front of La Republic du Cameroon, their troops then they beat them. They be done catch on one them. Some other restoration forces they do a good job for hunts down these criminals who are intimidating our people and causing chaos, arresting our and demanding kidnapping for ransom from our civilians. So this trend where they go on will condemn this type of things. We will track down these people, then they catch them. And in our investigation, for find out which are these boys the way that they use them. Most of the boys that they talk na francophone, that they talk French. You hear from their accent, so no be regular Amber boy them. They do this kind of things them. So would one ask some for Ambazonia people them? One ask Ambazonia people say, who saw these guys? This Ngumba Theodore way to work for Akeremuna. Because some issue that they go on for Ground Zero where we not go be blind for. Theodore Ngumba way they talk for some people them for Ambazonia and say he gave forces them for Ground Zero. Whether it forces them, they would not know say they do work with Akeremuna. Theodore Ngumba na a legit Akeremuna agent. He don't get private meeting with them. Na a surrogate for America. Na they help people set up that TV channel. Theodore Ngumba, who's a picture? They might put the picture. The mortuary man. The man where he work for mortuary for America. The big saboteur for Ambazonia. Now person where he represent himself too like activist. Some people they mistake if he say because he be against Paul Biya, he means say he support Ambazonia. No, he's against our independence. He is for whatever Akeremuna stands for. You know, get ideology, whether na federalism or whatever. But na people, if French government talk say A, then go A. They say B, then go B. The same with Maurice Kamto. In the year na the French people they talk am. So who are the forces then they way Theodore Ngumba talk say the sponsor am for ground zero? Would the final money the siam for amongst the legitimate forces them? Would I investigate these forces the way like the Republic of Cameroon they use them? If it be likely lean to Theodore Ngumba, because we don't see the trend where some of them to the target the SDF politician them. How we Ambazonia and them would not ban election for our territory, would not ban people the way they register election, was soldier them. Each time when they catch La République du Cameroon, there are people where they don't register for election or they want facilitate them. They bring the video, then first send them for we. And their message is that they be one, not be for kill those people, but not for just interrogate them, rough-handed them small, and then leave them and go back for their family, then learn the lessons. The one the way they don't move their name for they confiscate their houses. But Theodore Ngumba, you need to tell we which are the forces that you own in ground zero that you say you are sending money to. When you talk for people never back, you talk so you send money for ground zero for forces. Now, which of those forces you send the money, we want to know, because we suspect you, in particularly for Tuba village, the SDF district chairman, Peter Taba, where they don't catch you with 4 SDF officials them. Ambazonia no get war against SDF. We are not fighting SDF. We treat SDF and CPDM, parliamentarians and senators all like collaborators and enablers. We do not discriminate against them, and our fighters do not discriminate against them. But we don't seize on case for the one for Peter Taba. We don't find out say no be Ambazonia people then catch it. Tomorrow, no go cut their head fee say you go walk. Now why the why I want give this announcement? Me the whole war is sabi. Me all Ambazonia people then sabi. Say no be Ambazonian forces then arrest Peter Taba, the SDF district chairman for Tuba, and the 4 SDF official the way they do ye. Theodore Ngumba, you are suspect number 1 and your group on the ground working with Akeremona to make maximum chaos on ground zero about what is happening there. You need to come out and clear the air and tell us where does your soldiers work? The people you are claiming to sending them money, where are they working? And we will need to be careful. The pictures, the video they will receive them for ground zero, where they can show SDF people that they talk say, now one then this will don't catch them. And then those forces, they need to show their name, they need to identify themselves. Because if they talk say them being an ADF know all their soldiers them, then get a good record of all their soldiers them. If they talk say now restoration forces, we go easily call the restoration forces for that area, investigate say master now na hold man na how they go, na how they dey, for make sure say me them stay in line with the Geneva Convention, because nothing that will do them. But in these cases, we don't begin to see some suspicious trend. So some people then the way that they catch them for ground zero will know the know and who they catch them. All legitimate people them. Because amongst all the fighter them will share information. Even though the fight away, no be ADF, they share information with me. They communicate because na a survivor issue. Even though they talk say no go talk for the one side, I tell you the one, no go talk for the one. But we suspect this guy and their activity for ground zero. Say that SDF, man where they don't catch and they don't send video for us to talk say they go releasing after election. It not be the same with Ambazonian fighter them. When I see say all the people the way they don't arrest them, they pay them for quarter way they don't go register for election. All of them they don't just put them for video, then talk their confession, then release them back, then go for their family. But this one for Tuba, where they don't hold people then say they go keep them until after election, will not believe say na Ambazonia people their work, no be Ambazonia forces their work that. So don't go back and my country people them. When I stop down, I think when I the one became caught with people their head. If any man then behead those people, then kill them, will no place where the finger go there. Now for them too, my country people and Theodore Ngumba, now they go explain who said that thing come out. We know say they go escalate beheadings. Now where America they try to do things them, they go begin be desperate for promote beheadings, for blame and for Ambazonia people their head. So that they go come out and begin talk say all man for Ambazonia and a bad man. So we will leave that palaver for Theodore Ngumba and my country people. We want to talk say La République du Cameroon. Before I want to leave the one for palaver Theodore Ngumba, I bring it back for Obie. The Theodore Ngumba, they want to have a spread a false issue. Well, not be even a big issue, but I will do address them for here regarding this one. I will call the title for this particular topic. Now story for Zamzams. the story for Zamzams say Tapang Ivor Taanku and Capo Daniel. Now they be give Nambere in name. Say me ego meet up success in Congo. How come Capo Daniel name enter for that story? Me I know Sabi. But now a very stupid thing. Where someone did one link my name for day. Even though Tapang Ivor it be pick phone, it be call Nambere give you advice me no work with Samuel Sako in government because if you go for there, they not go give you the money the way we talk am. The same people that they talk say because I be that meet up success in Congo for Nigeria, it means say me and success Congo are they two for that thing between success Congo and Nambere. I want to tell when I say my connection with success Congo as somebody who I meet up like Ambazonia like a friend, it not be different from the one where Ayapo be meet up. All man feel for Chuke. When Ayapo be meet up success Congo Sute, they make it position for inside organization. SK be no say success, you go accuse it to say it to be Dede because he be don't give success in Congo position. No, you go accuse Seseko. Say Seseko be for that mafia. No, you go accuse the ADF where they be give success Congo money, me go buy weapon them. No, sometimes you meet up person for this struggle, or we don't make that mistake. It shows so we need to be more vigilant. I go talk say we need to ban all man where get for it and do 419. We need to ban them for this struggle because now they will all that thing they come. As for Tapang Ivor, any man where if he say Tapang Ivor, it work with success Congo for bring number for La Republique du Cameroon. He had the shake inside. Any man where if he say Tapang Ivor, it work for La Republique. He had it the shake inside. That means say something they worry you. You know about Shidong you see says Tapang Ivor, La Republique du Cameroon, poor beer a relative. Then Sila law firm. Then take it sue for American court. Chris Anu dey for day, Sako dey for day. They never put them that same pressure where they put on for Tapang Ivor because they know say he be a patriotic Ambazonia he fight for a struggle. If you trust Ayabacho, then you need to trust the people that put on for day. Who ask question, who debate them for you. Even you want to talk say a position the way they take them, sometimes it be controversial, but they debate them for you. For public, all man they see where they go on. So me no man not even bring that kind topic for Ambazamzams. So Pastor John too, Pastor John Igiawan, he don't wake up and make audio. Inside that audio, he talk say, me no election, no day. For inside that audio, it is put small that they think for La Republique the way, then they for they now like agent them for they say more na key people. So na cash for them key people. No Ambazonia man no go key man because say the man participate for election. Who denounce that one, the interim government and the governing council, they have not put that type of a policy to kill people because they participate or they violate the election ban in Ambazonia. That is excessive and that is criminal. We reject that palaver talk with all our might. So there is proof now that the diaspora, when I remember at time where we be talk over 1 year ago, we cry. So the diaspora people them, they join for kill. They keep people over ground zero. They send order. Me then keep people for ground zero. Before we come for this ambush. They join me and keep people for ground zero. No man no be the belief. Proves that they come out now, it come. Proves that they come out every day. When I be done here, na commando where they be sending me go keep people. How they complain, if they talk and for expose where the way it happen. Say they be sending me go keep people. Now that they come, they deny. Proof they don't come out. When I hear commando before I bring the proof. When I hear before the audio come out of Fabian, I play the one first for commando.
Yes.
Now commando this.
My people for Momo, I greet all now. I use the opportunity for tell una say and for greeting una say all these things so when I do you know correct in some Momo. When I was sending for some place after I get when I will talk how it when I don't send me no mad all when I start talking when I don't send me.
Na ye that the talk commando the talk say then send ye. See where they do I mean not correct, but they send you go. Commando, you been a how? They send you the talk say where they do for Momo not correct, but they send na you go do that same things them. They send him, you go kill your own brother them. You go kill him. We will talk. People they deny say proof you know day. Proof you know day. Sebastian, I'll tell you this man a story. If he never prison from Kondengi, if he doesn't have a sec, the guy with the coin this Princess Harriet is step brother. This guy the coin again away. Now Sebastian, we did for inside Europe day. The guy that for bang we win at the young cause atrocity then kill people there for nothing. Mo play the video evidence. Mo na see where one of that there are people that Momo cartel. He don't see say the talk you know correct. That way they want talk. If videotape am, when I hear how the man they talk, how they plan for kill Ambazonian soldier them for inside Bangui, then give order me them go kill our people. We be the talk before. Say this county things them. It not be been for just help collect money. Ambazonia they be look all way for prove them. Say no capo than here. County by county now for collect money. Even Ebenezer Akwango he can't talk. Say it was designed to destroy other groups. Una need a year. When I go bring argument, say no, he fine, now the way for mobilize, now this one, we tell una say that the kill our people. Nothing but kill our people. Una need the year. Una need the year 12. Una need the year sense. When I become sense pass king, you go talk him. Bella Franklin, you go talk him. Lucas Ansu, you go talk him. Because we talk true, una no 1 year. Now the evidence in this, it come.
Please, all these guys, all of today, I don't think they will never exist any other.
Yeah, now evidence is he say he don't send money. Yeah, me they eliminate people them. He don't send money. Now yeah, evidence. Now he this. Sebastian, now he that. Now he that. When I hear, he talk. Say no other force he no go there for Momo. We will tell una say na the reason this way the people them there for there. Now for destroy. They not be there for them now for give peace. He say no force no go there. He don't send money. Me then kill them. Now the correlation this for he where now it is commando the talk.
I'll be very sorry. See, they all send me for Meta. For some go arrange a problem and give for Meta. I don't go for day.
They sell it for Meta. You go kick people every day. Now it is the cry. It cry.
Yeah, my princess.
Now A2 this way then go kill them.
Now today, I don't make up my mind for sending you that audio concerning Fabian.
The one na the commander this A2 where the talk where the send commando Fabian and send commando me they can't keep picking them. We be say on a video where die body they will see Amber Boy that die body for Bangui day. Bangui where be strong. When the struggle be one start, it will be na Bangui be the hot pass all side. Now how them do destroy this Bangui. Now Fabian, I will tell you how them bring him for that position.
For what you have to tell say, me, I be there. Now Fabian become one day. I don't even know how Fabian became my name. For the people that represent interim government for Nigeria or Kutaden. The Hala commando say need turn anything we don't take for me. For all that soldiers they need to release all my soldiers they need to stand back for me. You know say that up to today, but I still can say more work together. 71 where they go under Numbeng. It keep people then travel for 71 bridge.
Yeah, put it kill them. Now other second audio this for today.
Yes. So for now audio this I send for you. For they say they got take my soldier yesterday to pack. They reach the car gone. Say me pass they go for their camp. I'm harassing the them.
Now the year.
I see how they adapt themselves for the.
Now the thing that they still go on. Now how did they kill our soldiers? Now how not be like Republic to Cameroon they succeed? They don't use these people. They don't put them strategically. Whether not the one for boil cancer, whether not the one for bui cancer, whether not the one for mesam cancer, whether not the one for manfe, all that one na la Republic du Cameroon their agent. Fabien where he be there so. If be na Ambazonia where they be don't catch lock him for prison for Kondengi. He don't go for Kondengi. He go meet up Mancho BBC. He don't meet up all our prisoners for prison. Now time where the movie Agbobala they can see then talk for he find them put idea for his head. He come over prison then facilitate he travel go back for abroad. He go for abroad then he would bring in use them. Then they send BBC me people them he go talk him. Me go talk about the thing where La Republic give it she don't quiet. Quiet. We suspect say behind the man they own. You don't come up for can't talk, you need to talk. You only there for Baba. The send fake audio them. Send fake audio them. Anti-revolutionary audio. Now the way they don't carry them, all those agents them. The one for Menchum. Now the one where La Republic of Cameroon will send army, they say, me then go for America, then go collect weapons them. Now that one way we go for day. That kind of trusted people. They don't come. How they don't get their deal when Mafani Musang don't get them with Sako, then gather all them, put them for key place them. When I believe it or not, I will say the truth. If it hurts, it hurts. But our boys will not be dying and I will stay quiet when I know what is going on. From the beginning, I was telling you, these people were sending instruction so that they will kill our soldiers on the ground. When I say prove it. Now they prove this. When I hear for your own up. When I hear.
There would never exist any other separate group from Momo. I'm going to work with Una, and then we will work or measure them with the people that today.
I'll help Una eliminate.
I will beg Una. Or we for measure them Momo be great. Please, all these guys, all of today, I don't think there will never exist any other separate group from Momo. I'm going to work with Una, and then we will.
Una ran see him from General Areke where then catch him, go down. Una they see they die. Una they talk say when we were the Easter one can stand for share the light. Una they talk so they bring in fighting. So when we see where this kind of thing they happen, make we should don't quiet. Then are there for this struggle now for waiting. Ma they be there for become police una. Them una they can pack for yes una one listen for me. Ma they carry skin to say I been a celebrity or I get fame, I be famous. At the end of the day I go gain weighty. My job, I will take risk my life, put my face for outside, put my name for outside, put all my thing will get time for jeopardy, for seeker weighty, if I know if you can tell now the truth. Now the truth that, when I see them, now the cocky that I'm done for una eye. Now the cocky that I'm done. So, I go leave that one, I go talk about the attack where I see where it happen for ground zero. The attack will happen. When I see the ambush, first of all, I want to talk na the good one, but no need. I want to give the attack way General Hassan then take him. The attack way also General Ebube they enter inside serious fight with La Republic du Cameroon for inside Buide. But I will first start. I want to show na this video where Nancy way come up for Oko. How our boys they struggle. Oh man, now see that audio, that video. Then who cry skin. But because we now react now, we now became of us act proof. We say the right attack for this, una say una show proof. Oh. So Ram became ask them say next time una attack, una send one scout. Me stand take video. So now why don't I see from Bui to all of our video they come out the camp. What I go turn na Amber Wuto una how? Because una one need proof before una support group them. We don't see video how it come out.
These are the military.
When I see this video,
I'm about to front.
we avoid them today for inside Bui. They don't destroy 2 armor car them because they get heavy weapon them. But for inside Oku, see the boy them see good. When I see good meat, goat meat, so it for people that eye good goat meat. They don't feel roast them because of lack of equipment. And now how the forces then they for the way they don't get correct equipment. Now how you do start when they so. Now because that way if you start, the one na boy them for Rambo, na Bush Rambo. Now boy and that's so. I will be in talks with them. I will bring them for inside contender force. For help them, me ADF provide them weapon. They begin for open one contender force for inside Oko. Now sabotage them, then come out. Hey, contender force now waiting. They don't define contender force. Then bring all those stock them. When they entertain them, when they promote them. These people then decide for commode them for the contender force. Plenty other forces then decide for commode them because they talk say, hey, we need to understand the contender force. So then decide for commode. They commode out of the contender force. If they be remain for day and the money be enter, the weapon the way they work a share and now so they don't give their own. The only small force way there for Oko when the ADF then do reconstitute their own small force for day. How many weapons the way they get them? They get weapon them, but man, you know the way for day if they begin one contender force. for inside Oko. Imagine what they for do for this damage. Because you see the elevation, it get good advantage. That La Republic then don't can gather anyhow. Therefore, wipe them. When I see. So now the thing in that way, people they can sabotage them, Zamzam they don't can partake for day. So when I see correct action then for inside for Bui, General Hassan then launch attack. Before the one go for the attack. Don't go for the attack. Their scouts stand for take video for sure. I'm gonna say because when I want for see, when I ADF the outside, ADF the outside. Hey, this that and this.
Nanda for Melim. Na Melim that so it happen for
Action I go for Bui for Melem.
Melim that.
Hey, that action I go.
Melim that.
When I say when I want see, when I be doubting Thomas.
Yeah.
La Republic du Cameroon. From where to we notice them, La Republic du Cameroon they launch early attack because without over focus and equip our soldier them for towards the February attack month where they come. When a time we need to stop their election, that time we also need for stop the 11th February. So now big time for our forces then we will prepare for big mission. So La Republic du Cameroon they don't send troops and they don't want provoke we move waste our granite and our popcorn them before that time they want come. But our soldier them they don't be ready say that they can scenario go happen. So them be very very aware of that and they take precaution them properly. So one other thing what I want to bring one video I want to show for now. Me show na La Republic du Cameroon their weakness where they now for this struggle. La Republic du Cameroon. You can see they don't begin instead to deploy, they beat them. They deploy Nana gendarmes. They are running out of soldiers. They are now deploying gendarmes. And the gendarmes they need to still come again well prepared for battle with those gun-proof vests and all those things. They are not prepared because they are most of their soldiers they don't kill them. They cannot surround a whole even Bui. La Republic du Cameroon for a whole 1 week have tried to penetrate the defenses in the great state of Bui. They did not succeed. They go back for go rest for inside Meleng for squares, then carry them their soldiers, then for go back for go rest. ADF and the Bui warriors then join launch attack for that position. So you see before they be bring na B they don't begin shot. They don't begin bring na gendarme. So you can fight war. War will pop here and declare them. They bring na gendarme because they don't get enough troops them. We show them the one na harvest Thanksgiving. They bring in a people for harvest Thanksgiving. We go wipe them all. So we go must stand up strong for nowhere to where they come with this their provocation them for early so that we waste our granite them and popcorn them before they come. My people them from Ambazonia. Today I want to talk about leadership. I want to talk about Palava leadership because it be very important. General Mba Evo, if he don't make some statement, very clear statement, where I must stand up for that statement, like an activist. A caller the call talk, time to call number talk. Hello. Yes.
I know say nobody receive calls them, but I want to talk specifically as you don't touch base, you don't do presentation about that Bui. So you visit me my talk.
Go ahead.
Ma, go ahead.
Yeah, go ahead. You are online live.
Oh, okay. So I want to start now for thank you for the two way they do with together with other activists them for the thing they want to do. When they really sensitize the population and when they educate the people them with them then it be difficult them to grasp this thing instantly. I really thank you now for that effort. And then secondly, the issue where it go on for Bui. It will see our population, especially the one that go especially for the diaspora population. Where at the talk, you get over 450 viewership right now. We don't notice and say then don't they target Bui for the past how many weeks and for the past how many months we don't be very, very active. So I want call on Ambazonians the way they for diaspora. Regardless of which side where you support, that video where you show up for day, if they look that video keenly when they circulate as a small picking them the way that they run for their dear life.
Yeah, I will
for
put the video.
where the year sound for guns. So I call on people and say, make them support this guy. Them. They guy them they shoot when they shoot bullet them. So the bullet they go, if you replace them, now the gun they be maintained. The gun the day. So that bullet them they finish, then they run out of bullets them. So our people them $5, $10, $20 is not
small.
$5 go give 3 bullets. $10 go give 5 bullets. More people them make them sit up. More people them for diaspora. That people them defend this thing now their lives. So only the should don't come. We can't time where they don't put news for action. Talk say great job. Then what will they do? The guy them if we not provide the guys them those granules. The granules they so it guarantee the safety of that guys them. It guarantee the safety of that small picking who wanna see for that video them where they run so. So we'll not get for shy away say we'll get now only $5. It not go do anything. No, $5 go do something. So we'll get for donate no matter how small it be, even at $1. Make them donate, make them go donate and they go change the game. La Republic they bring the overwhelming force. Now because they get assumption say it is so we will run out of ammunition. But more will tell La Republic, we as the people for diaspora, more tell La Republic say then they fool themselves. They know they shoot themselves in the foot ever since when the revolution start. And more will continue to tell them say they're going to shoot themselves in the foot. So more will try by all possible means. We'll get 450 viewership per day. And
Okay.
if you look up $5,
Yeah, I will
especially
do.
the ones that for diaspora, $10.
Perfect.
Make them donate. Then get, or you want donate now for, you get General RK, put down for day. You get ATF, www.chanshuboys.org, go for day. You
Yeah.
get people there, then go for UX mission, where they fit donate, then get cash app option, where cash app hand and $ Ambazonia mission. Make them
Yeah.
donate $5, send them for day. They
Yes,
use
I go make.
use and buy bullets, then they replace.
Okay, Mr.
that bullet the
Tanifo.
way they shoot them.
Mr. Tanifo, I will do the fundraising myself. So thank you very much, and then we'll continue the show.
Okay, thank you.
So I want to take this particular moment for make appeal for our people. Say place who fail for day we need for adjust them. When I see Omadan see that video for inside Oko, Omadan cry his skin say when I see goat meat, who just give me some locket prepared grenade and knock am for day. If when I see the weapon the way the General Efang they run get them for ye. If those weapons they be there for inside Oko, something for happen. My brothers, my sister, make the ADF they already get forces for inside Oko. The forces they're not big reach the one the way Bush Rambo get them for day. Now you get plenty of them. For we for support these particular forces and the ADF forces for inside Oko, go donate. Take screenshot for that money. You send them for my WhatsApp. I will follow up. Make sure say Miss Ontini enter for that boy their hand. I don't always want put and say my structure for go to ground zero now. Even can we find time, but I will do first do the presentation. Then I will go back for this same topic for the fundraiser. So now the video that for that ambush. So I will do this presentation first before I will go for that fundraiser. I be plan to do one today. As I be announced them for responsibility to protect platform. So my country people them, I want to tell you say there is no magic for all the 8 million speaking them where Ambazona dan born am. Anyone where the wait, if he say some leader go come up for some side emerge. Or na Holy Maria as someone that they believe for inside, they can to read them for vision. See some leader will come out from somewhere. Because the ones that are there today, you are not convenient, you are not very happy with them because of one thing or another, because of the politics or affiliation. You are in one group, your brother is in another group, in your village group, they tell you not to support this one, you are not comfortable, and you think that some other leader will appear. No leader will appear. No leader will appear from anywhere. Any man where he get canals for Ambazonia, from the time for 2016 up to now, if you don't show a face, that way this struggle will start for 2016. How many people they will show their face? Some people they will even fearful use their Facebook page for talk about the atrocity the way they go on. Now we be the worker beg people them. So when I share them for on Facebook, when I share. So one day be use now even fake Facebook, then go create fake Facebook because we no be there for them for share and they no be bull enough. The active is the way they be rise up that time. There will be no time again in history when that time will come for give other people them opinion. New one they go to rise now, but what we have done, those of us who are the activists, we are the most boldest that you can have. There is no other person coming. The frontline leaders that you are seeing today, there is no other one coming. The generals that you see today, there is no other one coming. These are the things that God has given you to use for your independence. If you cannot support them, there is no excuse. Our victory is in your hands. The Americans will not come out of their convenience. They will be there. We can only use them. But that victory must come from us. Amongst all the leaders, the way they don't come. Today, the topic for this particular episode, now say the era of frontline leaders is over. We cannot be calling everybody a frontline leader who have an organization. That era is over. You are not in the front line. You are not a leader. It is a wartime. We need leaders who are going to mobilize the troops, be able to deliver the weapons for effective execution of our war. Any other leaders, they are more of an activist. All of those other leaders, we used to call them frontline leaders. They are nothing frontline leaders anymore. They are more of activists. We cannot just give those titles. It undermines the effectiveness of those who have the capability. There is no other leader coming. We have seen their competence. We know. Say already, Ayabacho Lucas na the most competent rebel leader and we are on a rebel war. Some people there they vex say Kapo why they overcall him every time Ayabacho. If na the thing where go give you freedom, why I not go call him? And then they call him now because I overlike ye pass on other person. But because I know say na ye be capable. Some people that they feel say because this is an ordained struggle we must win. No. History all over the world be written by crooked people. Papa Fongalafo, he done sent out later today, showing how they done betray the struggle time and again, and it get effect. That way they even go for court for Banjul. Then pay Reverend Ayok. Then bring their own delegation. Me, he can't pretend say that they be represent Ambazonia them for day. If they no be sharp eye, they for fall to for inside choke. History they be written by crooked people. Now only once in a while, where some man will go can't stand where get integrity. For stand for before day. Because for stand on the truth, it's not easy. They go crush you. Like how Jesus Christ be there, they go crucify you. Even your own people go talk, say, crucify him. If not be saying that God is Jerob you for die, they hope for the whole nation it go die. There will be no era again of Ayabacho. If we lose him now, or we demoralize him, that will be all for our struggle. He is the most effective person. When it comes to our forces on ground zero, General Mba Ivor, before he one die, he talk, say na ADF go lead with Fuboya. I will not shy, I will not please anybody, but I will stand and tell you the truth. Right now, there will be no other force that will appear. Mark Barata don't try on. Ashu Kingsley, he don't try on. The other day, begin back, send messages that they beg me, they can't help them for menu. We don't begin go back for Manfe. Or they don't try. Amongst all the forces for ground zero, there is no force, any force that could not help to organize the 1st October National Day does not have the capacity or the structure to organize anything. The only forces we have are the forces we saw them on that first day of October. Now the only forces that will get them. Any other one, now montage. Someone and they then specialize now will begin. The time for Amber movie don't finish. Amber Hood, it don't finish. We no see the variety when I go she don't for chair, make movies, all the things. Now one a fire up down. One a fire. If by now any structure, all those big name, Ambazonia this one, Ground Zero Command, all those one a montage. Now no man never succeed for buy gun the way ADF done buy them. They don't share and for down all those generals they know now why that ADF see day today. Because no matter where to where they talk, they go bring one now which kind bully activists, which kind charismatic activists where it protect whatever nonsense. They never hear the ADF don't succeed. General Ivor talk say even if they knock them, they match them, then chakara it will come back together because what God has said it is the way it will remain. If the ADF finish, we are done. When I think about it, If Ayabacho be that move hand for this struggle, then they catch Seseko, go with them. That will be all. That will be all. Leadership is so important. That will be all. Any man where they see hole for a heart because of one argument or the other, say no go support Ayabacho. Think about the consequences, whether it be worth it or not. If you love Ambazonia, support this man. And I will stand from today. My position is that of General Ivor. I will assume that his position, he have said that ADF will be the first to march us to Buea. On the word of General Mba Ivor, Braveheart, who took bullets for you and me, who bore the land with his blood for you and me, for see the freedom of Ambazonia. Now he talk him. The ADF shall lead us in Buea. Let nobody buy gun. If you want to support any group, give that money for ADF. Me then go give that money. General Efang no go chop your money. The same like General Ivor. They be send all money for General Ivor. They run try for go buy AK-47. They no get them. Or the RPG way they for ground zero be commander for ADF. Now ADF you go buy them. Now then be bring them. Now then get reso. Now time for all we for fall. We collaborate with the ADF. All man. We collaborate with the ADF. All force for ground zero. Me no man. Una should not for ground zero. Una buy money so no one go buy a weapon them. Una go gam. Una go lay here say that money don't go end up for B houses. The money don't end up for goody one. So other forces they buy. I know deny say they need to buy. They buy also. But the most effective group way then supply weapons for ground zero. Where be capable for supplying the weapon the way it go eliminate those targeted them. That target na ADF. I no go lie with now. Even Mark Barata it don't surrender. They don't try their hand it down. It never work. Now for we for rally. All force no be saying all force then dissolve. No be saying all force then dissolve. The ADF no first be interested. And no feel and get capacity to take all forces. But all forces must get into collaboration with them so that they will synchronize their action for be effective against a common leader. All the other people who will be called them frontline leaders, they are not leaders. They are not in the front line anymore. They are activists. They are leading in organization. Let all those organization head, let them come under Seseko and Ayabacho. Let them come under them. Let them seek to alliance. We cannot put them on equal standard anymore. It is not effective. That is my position. And they must unite. I'll be happy with the word where Ayabacho Wiko talks, say, I will not negotiate without any leader. So we can trust him. Yerima can trust him. I cannot negotiate with any leader. When I want me sure and how. 1st of October, he no talk me his soldier then sing in name. He talk me then sing Ayokta be in name. For put our struggle for before. Ayabacho, he don't show. He get that leadership skill. When I remember how our leader, Seseko, he be for. Because he be trust people them. Even when I be the talk for you sometimes, he be the trust our people them. Where they be the over Foxecan before for ye. When I see Marienta for UK. When I see Ratas Fondo. All people where they don't betray Seseko. When I count them. All people where they don't betray Seseko. Even Eric Tato, he the one can begin make Connie talk today. Now he be the push Seseko for back. Mark Barata, Seseko they were prison. He sent announcement for you. You don't put the announcement. All those people. When I see. Now the people that now Seseko be the trust and put them before. All over the war. Any man will be the Foxe camp. They put our front. Ayabacho. And Seseko don't change now. He don't change. He don't stand up. For stand on the truth. Now a hero. All man be prone for make mistake. But he don't recognize the people that don't betray ye. Now we will still get Ayabacho. Make we no loss him. He don't demonstrate. Say he no do it for money. People that they don't give money. Give money for Ayabacho. If he say go change me, do one thing or the other, me put them for one position or another. No, he never put no palava money say you over support ADF. No. It look talent. It look wait you do am. If na only person where it be look fear talent, if that move Tapang Ivor. The time when the ADF they be call me for give me the position for the spokesperson for ADF. They contact me and say, hey, oh boy, una wama be una spokesman. Una no say I know they talk me English, no. I dey mean a palava pidgin English. I been a amber to amber na me. They say yes, we have seen that we need you, the way you speak, the ideas you have. It was about your idea, not even the language. It was an idea. So they focus on those things that matters. And I could not take the job because I think I was more better doing my thing by myself. So they have chosen people. Look at the people they have attracted in their organizations. Look at the people who give money. No man out there, if you say you can't give ADF 2,000, 10,000, then they will start listening for you. The one the way they don't try, can't say me, they can't move people them for ADF, they will go use another way. They will not budge because they stand on principle. These are people we can rally behind. These are people we can rally behind. So we can receive phone calls now. I'll give 5 minutes for anybody to call. I'll not do it very, because it's already morning, 4 o'clock. I'll have just 1 hour to sleep. But our soldiers are not sleeping. So anybody who want to call can call. Now this is the time for calling. And I'll run up very, very fast. So we must rally all our soldiers. Make them come all then collaborate with the ADF. Let the ADF supply the weapons. Let the ADF supply the materials. Let the ADF, you have to supply them small money for sustenance. But if you want me to deliver the weapon, General Efan be there for whom? He don't go for all sides. They don't work at deliver weapon. They will prepare the troops, them, train them against February. So, ladies and gentlemen, that is the show of today. I don't get time for wrap up. I don't wait any phone call as well. Thanks you guys for coming and making it an interactive show. I want to tell you that leadership is everything. Leadership is everything. So I'll make a short recap before I go. I see some person there ask recap. I'll make a short recap before I go. For diplomatic update, as I will tell you for diplomatic update, the American government, it's time for sanction the Republic du Cameroon. It don't come. The sanction where they began say, give deadline, say they will move La Republic du Cameroon for AGOA. That treaty where they give them advantage. Sanction, now a tool where American government they use them for force government, them root government for change their course, or else they will take action. And the American government have been very clear, say they will take action against La Republic by taking the matter of Ambazonian War of Independence to the international fora. They have issued already the letter to the Congress in America. They have removed Cameroon from that treaty. Cameroon need the benefit from that. Maxwell Bone, the International Institute of Peace, he don't give a report. Say the crisis for Ambazonia, it don't reach level where the international community need to intervene. The Oxford University, their report for the United Kingdom, it don't indicate, say the British government get a moral duty to intervene for this palaver, for make sure, say, they issue the root cause for the failed decolonization for Southern Cameroon may be taken into consideration. Emmanuel Macron, he fall out with Donald Trump, now a golden opportunity. When I remember, say Thibault Nagy be go for England for July the 3rd last year for go talk for force the English government for accept for push the issue of federalism. Theresa May be denied because of the 1.5 billion where the new H oil it be taken for the Cameroon government for give them oil in exchange for favor. Now Theresa May no day again for power. It don't give you good opportunity. Now America now they head the chair for the Security Council. Now they determine the agenda for the Security Council. Now time for them to take action. Now time for Thibault Nagy for submit for a boss Mike Pompeo a report about Ambazonia for them to take the next step for push Cameroon for the final solution, for a negotiation solution for this problem. Now why that we see Emmanuel Macron, if you go for day again, they remove their last joker. Maurice Kamto, me go for day, he go talk. We don't see I don't go talk for all the baby people them for America. He don't meet up Thibault Nagy. He meet up all them. He don't meet up even their own Herman Cohen. You see Herman Cohen, he face it, he shows he don't like what he talk because he know Ambazonia them very well, so he no go accept that thing way that the Wanka propose them will be less than even that federation. The American they don't make clear their threat. Ambazonia will need to resist until American will go through with their threat to take this issue for the international fora. We need to buy more AK-47. We need to stop the exploitation of our cocoa, our timber, our oil. We need to do exactly what we have been doing, even more so. I also call on you to support financially to make sure that the groundnut then go continue. Now my phone number that any man will support, you take a screenshot. If you don't know how to support, You contact me for WhatsApp, I will send you the Changshu boys their website or the website where if you contribute directly for Wale on the move when our lady will be trusted with palava money. Money no feel lost now get away first get money. So make we stand up fine we hold grass every Monday. Now Ghost Town Day na Country Sunday. We will show the international community say we want separation and independence. Make we turn up strong, we resist. All group them for all quarter, wanna form vigilante group them for begin be on the watch. Wanna prepare on ourselves for battle. Wanna strike the elephant with 1,000 sword, it will collapse. Now small, it will collapse. We wanna begin attack them. We will chop them, kiki them one by one. We will neutralize the terrorist threat where la Republic of Cameroon, the terrorist forces of occupation, they get them for our territory. Once more, Ambazonians, the victory is at hand. The signs are good. Ambazonia is winning and we are winning very fatly. Let me post the post. That's in Changshu. That's the website of the Changshu. You can go there to donate directly to make a difference. The RPG them already be for ground zero ransom amongst the arsenal them for against the February attack. It go hot. So all man may you do your part. You donate. You prepare for the February offense. Thank you very much. God bless you. Long live Ambazonia.